Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by trimming jagged fibers and pressing the area flat so your stitches sit evenly. Once done, thread a needle with a length of matching thread, double it for durability, and tie a small knot. Next, position the denim edges together or slide a small scrap patch behind the hole. Pin or clip it so it won't shift. Make a tiny starter stitch just before the tier to anchor your thread and prepare for the visible repair stitches. Now sew with short, consistent stitches to mimic denim texture. Use running stitches for long rips or backstitch for strength. Make sure each stitch passes through the patch and both denim layers so the repair is reinforced. This prevents the tier from reopening. Keep hand tension steady. If the fabric pulls or puckers, loosen your stitch length slightly. Once you've covered the tier, overlap a few stitches past each end to lock the seam. Cut extra thread and inspect from both sides for even coverage. To finish, tie a secure knot, and if you can, slide it into the seam or under the patch to hide bulk. Trim any patch overhang and press the repair so fibers relax and the stitch lies flat. Optionally top stitch along the seam line for a professional look. If the denim puckers or the thread looks tight, don't panic. Pick out 2 to 3 stitches in the problem area and resew with a slightly longer stitch and gentler pull. Make sure the repair moves with the jeans comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.